Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Ash, so let's begin. Ash Station is on the North Downs line, 36 miles, 34 chains, 58.6 kilometres down the line from London Waterloo. The station is managed by South Western Railway and served by South Western Railway and Great Western Railway. When the station was built, it had 4 platforms, but 2 were removed after the Second World War, so now there are only 2. The station has one of the shortest station names. Its 3-letter code is ASH and its name is Ash. In 2019/2020, the station was used by 0.246 million or 246,000 people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts with Boom, and remember to stay alert.